Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today is my Formula Drift Japan sim practice session. This is round 4, so this is Okuibuki Motorpark. This is probably the most technical course on the list. It's interesting. I'm like excited for this course in real life though. It's super fun. It's really wild. It's up at a ski resort in the mountains. I'm gonna be driving the same car again. I just changed up the livery. And I already got a little tune set up for it. I have driven this course some. Let's start out with some qualifying laps and check out the track, and then we'll get into some tandems. I'll kind of let you guys know what I'm feeling. Let's do this. Okay, so there's some people lined up, but the cool part is, hey, this track actually has all the clipping points and zones. There's not entry cones, if I remember correctly, which is a little bit annoying, but there is this. You can see, maybe that, I don't think that's our entry cone, but as you can see, we got an outer zone right here. That's like the first turn. So you come up this freaking, up the hill, and you flick it in, and there's the outer zone right there. It's super gnarly. Then you hit this inner clip, and then you're on a cliff, which is awesome. And then you got basically like one big outer zone essentially, but it is split up. There's outer zone and then a bit of an outer touch and go kind of right here. That's pretty gnarly. And then you kind of take it wide and you add on angle because you actually come in right here and you inner clip right here and then back down the hill and you're done. So that's pretty much the course. It's kind of gnarly with the pits set up on this track. Like they're right up here and everyone's flying up here. That's not how it is in real life, but all right. I'm gonna start out, try to get a qualifying lap down, get in a good position there, and then we'll do some lead and follow. Side note, if you guys want to be in these videos and you're a good drifter, join our Discord. I do this kind of randomly and I just like see who's online, but I like driving with a bunch of different people, so you're more than welcome to join. All right, first lap, send it. Ah, no, too wide. Oh. Okay, that was better. That definitely wasn't perfect, but I just need to start out basically not as freaking far back. So I'm gonna get a little chase in, kind of see how that feels. Also, the nice thing is once you kind of feel like you can comfortably get through the track, and maybe it's like not the best qualifying lap, it can be good to chase some people and kind of see what other people are doing, how they're entering, their speeds and angle and stuff like that, and that can kind of speed up the learning process.
Knowledge.
Bit of a messy run. Decent proximity though, like I feel like once you kind of get this track figured out, chasing's not too bad in it. Oh God. God, so hard off takeoff, like, just burned. Just burned on entry, it sucks. I'm pumped on that lap. I feel like the biggest thing that I learned from that was I just need to chill on the entry a little bit, just kind of float myself in. You'll be able to catch up to people if you need to, and lead. It's not really that fast anyways, and then the rest just flows really well. So I know I didn't get the qualifying by myself figured out, and then I kind of started chasing, but as you guys can see, that worked because I feel good about it now. So now I just want to practice, get some good chase laps in, And I'm starting to feel pretty good about this course. I might have gotten a little overly aggressive there. That was a sick chase run though. Oh, my bad. I'm not mad at that. I got lost a little bit at the start, but shout out our Discord community. You guys are so cool. I was trying to like finish off this video and now everyone's just leading for me. This is nuts. I did it with you. Alright, let's do one last one. Oh no! Alright, at this point, I'm just getting overly aggressive, but and just kind of having some fun. But yeah, I love this course. It's so freaking fun. I need a little bit more practice on it for sure, but I feel really good going into it. And I'm excited for this one. The battles are going to be nuts on it. So freaking close. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Stay tuned for the next one. The next one is Okayama Round 4. Appreciate you guys watching. Hope you'll subscribe if you guys want to support us any further. HaugenRacing.com has all our merch. Let's hit 150K soon here. Let's freaking do this. All right, love you guys. See you soon. Peace.